So today is Friday and we have nothing to shoot. So I'm just gonna wind it down. Another Unbox. Didn't we unbox this one before? So it's August 13th version. So without further ado, let's unbox this August 13th version. So the first impression on this box here is that it's a black and white design in general. Look at the side here. Other than that, everything is black and white on a white boxes. The surface of the box looks a little bit shiny under the light, and I like that feelings of smoothness. Very simple, very plain designs. There are three surfaces information concentrated. The first area is the top surface, and we have created a lot of different videos. All these videos are listed on the Amazon product detail listing page. All you have to do is just scan the QR code and it will take you directly to the Amazon page, and you can see all this different video that we have created for different purpose. For example, how to rewind tape, how to do the Kapton or heat tapes. And heat tape is the main focus of this tape dispenser. So if you want to know about the heat tapes, Kapton tapes, or polyimide tape, and there is a video for that. And what about the washi tape? We have video for that. What about changing to a Scotch tape or other different tapes? We have video for that. So if you want to get started easily, scan the QR code, watch the videos. That's one area I want to emphasize. We also have this color printed area, basically tell you 1, 2, 3, 4 steps to wind the tapes. That's actually very, very easy. I've been reading a lot of different reviews. All the reviews pretty much focus on it's hard to start, but not on Echomerx multi-row tape dispenser. Follow these 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. And this one here, I can see that it's printed green, so which means that we are unboxing a green version of the heat tape dispensers. And on the side here, it says this is not a shipping box. Why do we print these messages? Well, because this product actually going to Amazon warehouse, and we do not want Amazon warehouse people just to ship this one like this, because they will completely damage all the information area. So I got my utility knife ready. Let's just cut this one here. So let's open it. Okay, so this might be a surprise. So because once you see it on the contents here, there is no mention of a clear tape. So this is actually good consideration if you want to get started right away. And this is actually a 3-inch, I believe 3-inch core clear tape, so you can get started right away. And here is our tape dispensers. So there's no other instructions inside the box. So open it up. Inside this poly bag. So there's a tiny spindles right here. So this is a 1-inch spindle, and of course the 3-inch spindle is already installed onto the tape dispenser itself. These are the components of the tape dispenser. Of course, we have the 3-inch spindle for industrialized tape, and also we have this 1-inch spindle for Scotch tape or other 1-inch core tape. And we have the body of our tape dispensers. And this is the warning labels. So this is the compartment. I believe you can open up to clear the jam if you do have the jam happens in the futures. And these are the warning labels. So, and we got our logos right on the pencil holders right here. So thank you for watching this episode of Echomerx multi-roll tip dispenser unboxing.